here?
Yes, sir.
Both of them.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here it says determine the value of x for which the following geometric series what converges. I told you with converges, the r value must lie between -1 and 1. So in other words, I love to write it as a word. I write ratio must be between -1 and 1. Then I solve for the x. So let's find the r here. The second term, it's that 2x. First term, it's x there. So when I'm doing the r on its own, it's gonna be 2x squared. I'm going to divide that by x. Then you're left with what? With the 2x. So just take that 2x, put it inside here. That's what, in the middle. So going turquoise, you've got -1 less than 2x less than 1. Remember, in the middle here, you must be left with x. So what you don't want, it's a +2. So that means you divide by +2 on all sides, all three sides there, like that. So here it will cancel. So you are now left with -½ less than, because the 2 was positive when we were dividing, the inequality sign does not change. So this is your answer, my friend. Now let's go to the next one. The next one, again, it's the same story. We just need to find the r. So remember, terms are separated by positive and negative. That is the first term. That is the second. That is the third. So if I'm looking for the first term, let me see. They never tell me how many terms I've got. Yeah, if I'm looking for the first term, that means I need to take this one here. So I need to take -x divided by 1. That will be r. So that tells me x is -x. Let's do it with this with x squared divided by -x. Again, you end up with -x. If it looked like you wouldn't, but yes, you're getting -x. So what do? I do exactly what I did. I'm going to put it right in the middle. So using pink, I've got -1 less than -x less than the 1. So we don't want that minus. So you multiply both sides by negative. Myself, I was going to switch it immediately. So you multiply here by negative, it becomes positive, multiply by negative, positive, multiply by negative, or divide by negative. But the inequality sign will change. So the first one becomes +1, then it faces the other direction. Then you've got x faces the other direction, then -1. But what I'm putting in a green box, we don't normally write it like this. But if you write it like this, no problem. So normally we write it like this. All the time it faces, the sign stays like that. Here you put your small number, because that is the standard form. Here you put the big number. Can you see that the small number is on the right, small number on the left? I mean, big number on the left, but it shouldn't be like that. So you can switch it and put -1 on the left and then 1 on the other side. So this will be the perfect way. If they leave it like that, it's still right, but in order of the number line. On the number line, -1 starts off far to the left, then later the 1. So I love order. So there it is. We dealt with all of them. We nailed